Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we have just seen some seagulls fight over some leftover chicken, I think, in the water from the fishermen. As you can see, they might have stopped fighting, but they keep on chasing each other. The breast was left over around here, but I think it's stood in the water too long and they don't like it, so they're pretty much over there. As you can see, one of them just got it. He dropped it in the water. Now they're fighting again. They pluck their head down into the water and they try to get it in their mouth. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to like and subscribe.